Kalra.
I'm Charu Kalra and we live in Dallas, Texas, US, and we would like to share our journey learning yoga with Shreyas. When we met him for the first time, we were a bit surprised. He's so young and he's almost our son's age, and we were not sure if he would be the right person to teach bunch of us adults almost his parents' age.
But I think that feeling lasted for probably 30 minutes or so. After our first class, we were absolutely convinced that he's really good in yoga. And now knowing him for past few months, we really admire his maturity and dedication towards teaching yoga.
I think meeting Shreyas was probably one of the good things which happened during COVID.
Shreya's teaching has not only helped us getting physically better, but meditation sessions with him have helped us in becoming mentally strong to overcome personal loss we had few months back.
Thanks Shreyas for keeping us physically and mentally fit during these tough times.
Thank you Shreyas, and keep doing all the good work you are doing.
Hello, good morning. This is Samir from Frisco, USA. I was introduced to Shreyas some time back, was told to attend his classes by my wife. Initially, I was a little bit hesitant and also apprehensive, but then I decided to give it a try. I was, we are in a lockdown situation, so not been going to office, working from home, and that kind of, and also not being able to go to gym. That kind of puts a lot of pressure on you. You do go out for jogging, but I think I was thinking of something to complement that with. And that's when I decided to go for Shreyas' classes. So initially it was a little bit, because I've never done yoga in the past. So it was a little bit challenging for me. But then, Shreyas actually helped out. So initially, those initial moments when you are a little bit uncomfortable, he made sure that you get the right focus and attention from him, and come up to a certain level wherein then the entire class is performing at the normal routine level, right? So you do get that focus and attention from Shreyas, and that's why I believe he adds a ton of value to you. Do give it a try. I really benefited.
Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi. I have been taking Shreyas Power Yoga classes for almost 5 months now. The reason I had joined his classes was that I had a severe back pain for almost 6 years. And after joining his classes, within few weeks, I started experiencing that my back pain was gone and I started losing weight. I started feeling more flexible and more, overall my mind was strengthened, my body was strengthened, and the change was within. I started feeling less stressed out, less anxiety. So it was a complete package for my body as well as mind. I highly recommend Shreyas classes for you all, especially at a time when we all are feeling higher levels of stress.
Hi, my name is Pooja, and for Shreyas I would like to say, within a month I can feel the difference in my flexibility, strength-wise, and not only he knows his art, he knows how to motivate his students. Even when we are having limitations and when we are feeling low energy-wise, physically or emotionally, he knows how to push us and make us reach our goal. So I'm really happy. My flexibility has increased. Strength-wise also I feel a little stronger than before, and he keeps me pushing me more and more. So I'm hoping I'll get better with time, and I'm sure he'll help me with that also.
Jai Jagannath. I'm Devasmita from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I work in a IT company. Due to extended sitting hours, I got many complexities like back pain, anxiety problem, gastric problem. Luckily, I came to know about Shreyas from my sister and I joined his online classes. Shreyas is an excellent teacher. He is energetic and he has in-depth knowledge about yoga from such a young age. Each and every classes are very interesting and exciting as he makes us to try different techniques of yoga. He not only guides us but also observes the steps and encourages a lot, which I think is the best part, and it motivates me to do much more better day by day. It's only been 3 months I have taken his classes. I feel energetic, positive and enthusiastic. Thank you so much, Shreyas. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Susmita Nanda from Provident Sanath Apartment, Mysore Road. I started doing yoga just 6 months back. I'm really amazed by the difference yoga made in my life after meeting a wonderful teacher, Shreyas. After taking training from him, I'm stronger and flexible. It has made me mentally and emotionally stronger too. I want to keep it as a practice throughout my life.
Hi, this is Vinayak. I'm Shreyas' yoga student. I live in US, Texas. I attended first 2 classes, then he understood in those 2 classes my condition and the situation, and then he altered the routine a little bit so that it's more beneficial to me. So typically his classes are well planned. He has done excellent job in planning his classes, the way he runs the routine. In the morning when he starts off with this ascending gradually to the warm-up routines and asanas, and get our breathing going. And once we are done with the warm-ups, then he introduces all these little challenging and difficult asanas, including like sun salutations. And he has like amazing collection of the sun salutation variations. I really enjoy his sun salutations and other difficult asanas that I'm able to do now. And then towards the end of the class, he winds us down our bodies after all those difficult asanas. He has this Viparit asanas which will unwind your body so that you don't get into any kind of health problems after going through those vigorous sessions. And he also has pranayam routines, so many different ways of doing pranayams, and meditations, like very different styles of meditations. He introduced to us like a Trataka, as well as like all these visualization type of meditation routines, and all those things really help us a lot. Now I see the benefit, especially with my health and the back and neck chronic pain conditions. It's benefiting me a lot in my day-to-day life. My flexibility and strength has increased, and it's also helping cope up with stressful situations at work. I work in a very high-stress corporate job, and in general, I'm very happy and I enjoy his classes, and I recommend this class to anyone who is in a similar situation like me.